How are you?
Hi, sir. Why did I get pulled over?
Two things. One, you cut me off without signaling back there on 9W.
I did signal, sir. And I know I signaled.
And two, is this your car?
This is my car.
It's registered to you?
Yes.
What's your name? Shana Shaw? Mm-hmm. And your license is suspended.
I just cleared it all through DMV.
Cleared it all? Do you have the paperwork?
It's at home.
That stinks. All right.
I can have somebody pick up the car.
Where are you headed to?
I'm meeting my friend here to eat. I just got off work.
Where are you coming from? Where do you work at?
I work in Newburgh.
In Newburgh? What do you do in Newburgh?
I'm a nurse.
All right. Hop out. Do you have anything on you that's illegal?
No.
Step back here.
Why am I hopping out?
Because you're under arrest.
Why am I under arrest?
For driving without a license. Let's not make things difficult. Let's make this very easy.
Why am I under arrest?
Shayna, let's not make things difficult.
I just cleared everything
Do you have the paperwork with you?
You can follow me home.
No, I'm not following you anywhere.
I can prove that I have everything cleared, though. I can prove it.
Shayna.
I can prove it, though.
Okay.
So you're going to arrest me after I just left work, and I'm a nurse. After I just left work to meet my friend. This is what you're going to do to me, officer.
Don't make this difficult.
This isn't anything difficult.
Yes, you are. You're being very difficult right now.
How am I being difficult when you're arresting me? For nothing. And I can prove that my license is unsuspended.
That's why you've got to bring it to court and have to carry it with you at all times.
All right, but so you're going to...
And hold on. Step back here.
I'm not... No, you're bugged out. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my lawyer. Stop. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my lawyer.
Get out of the car.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Why
are you grabbing me like that?
Get out of the car.
Stop.
117 Kingston. Can you send me another car to my stop?
Why are you doing this? Stop. Stop it.
You're under arrest.
Stop.
You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
Stop. I'm not
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
You are resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hands.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Stop. Stop it.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. You cannot arrest me. I'm in a parking spot. You cannot legally arrest me. You cannot legally arrest me parked.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Yes.
You cannot legally arrest me parked. I'm calling my lawyer, yo.
I'm going to tase you if you don't get out of the car. Kingston, send me another car. Ulster, whoever. Get out of the car.
They're recording you.
I'm recording also. Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
How am I under arrest and I'm in a parking spot?
You're under arrest.
I'm in a parking spot.
You're under arrest.
I'm in a parking spot. I'm not resisting arrest.
You are under arrest.
I'm not resisting.
You're under arrest.
Why are you bending my arm?
Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
You're bending my arm. Let go of me.
Stop resisting. You're under
I'm not
arrest.
resisting arrest.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Get out of the car.
My arm.
Get out of the car and put your hand behind your back.
Where's he at? Is he secure?
I need another unit parking lot of Buffalo Wild Wings.
I'm in a parked car at Buffalo Wild Wings, and he's pulling me out of a car. And he's grabbing me.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
He's grabbing me out the car.
You're under arrest.
I'm in a park location.
You're under arrest. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Stop it. Stop. I'm not resisting.
You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting.
Well, then get out of the car.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting.
You're under arrest.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. You're not cooperating.
I'm not resisting, though.
You're not cooperating.
I'm not resisting. Let go of me. Let go of me.
You are under arrest.
Let go of me. You just threatened to tase me. You just threatened to tase me. Let go of me. I'm in a parked car. Legally, you cannot arrest me.
Yes, I can.
Legally, you cannot stop me. Legally,
Shayna?
if I'm parked, you cannot pull me over.
Shayna, stop.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
If you get out
Let
of
go of
Shayna.
me! Let go of me!
Shayna.
Let go of me!
Shayna.
Let go of me! You
You're-
just threatened to tase me!
I didn't threaten
Yes,
anything.
you threatened to tase me! They heard you! They heard you threatened to tase me!
Get out
No.
of the car. You're under
Let
arrest.
go of me! I want my lawyer!
You'll get your
I
lawyer.
want my lawyer! I'm parked! I'm in a parked car! I'm in a parked
Jason,
car!
get another unit.
I'm in a parked car and you cannot legally pull me over if I'm parked!
1-7, got multiple.
I am in a parking spot! Ow!
Get out of the car. Do it now. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Why am I under arrest?
I explained it to you
Why
already.
am
You're
I
under
under
arrest.
arrest? Why? Why? What did I do? I parked my car. I came to work. What did I do? What did I do?
You're under arrest.
What did I do? You're hurting me. 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 You're hurting me! Don't touch my vehicle! Don't touch my vehicle!
Go ahead and get out of the car, man. Listen to me.
Let go of me! You're hurting my arm! He cannot legally
Look at
he
me.
cannot
Look at me.
legally
Listen to me.
arrest me.
Listen
I'm
to
in
me.
a parking spot.
Listen to me for a
I'm in
second.
a parking
Just
spot. He
listen to me.
cannot legally
Can you
he
just listen
cannot
to me for 1
legally
second?
he just threatened to tase
Can you
me.
listen to me for 1
He
second,
just
ma'am?
threatened to tase
Ma'am,
me.
I'm
Get
just-
your officer!
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
You're good. You're good.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting!
1 detained. Slow it down.
Oh, yeah!
All right, ready to go up?
Gotta lock it.
Exit 117, your status.
Here, hold on a second. Go ahead. Have a seat for me.
One in custody. You just can back it down.
I fell on my fucking...
Receive 1 in custody at 55.
Smokes.
All responding units, copy direct. 9-6 copies, I'll be out shortly.
You alright?
Yeah.
You just want to pull ahead so your car doesn't get
Exit
damaged.
100.
You okay?
Holy smokes.